Let's face it, you can feel when a woman doesn't respect you. It's in her tone, the way she dismisses your opinions, how she tests your patience, and worst of all, how you allow it. But that ends today. Respect isn't something you beg for, it's something you command. If she doesn't respect you, it's because, whether you realize it or not, you've given her reasons not to. That might sting, but I'd rather be honest with you than watch you keep making the same mistakes. So, listen up. Today, we're fixing this. I'll show you why she doesn't respect you, and more importantly, what you need to do to turn things around. Because once you get this right, everything changes. Let's dive in. Stop being a people pleaser. Here's the deal. Being a nice guy isn't the problem. Being a pushover is. If you say yes to everything, avoid conflict like the plague, and think keeping her happy means always doing what she wants, you're setting yourself up for failure. At first, it might seem like it's working. She's smiling, affectionate, and everything feels smooth. But then, something shifts. She starts testing you, pushing boundaries to see how much she can get away with. And every time you fold, you lose a little more of her respect. In The Way of the Superior Man, by David Data, he explains that women don't test men to be cruel. They test to see if a man can stand firm in who he is. Data shares a story about a man who constantly gives in, always trying to make his partner happy. At first, she appreciates it, but over time, she loses attraction. Why? Because she realizes he's not leading, he's following. She stops feeling safe with him, starts resenting him, and eventually leaves for a man who knows how to say no. Here's the truth. A woman wants to respect you. She wants to trust your strength. But if you let her walk all over you, she won't admire you. She'll pity you. Stop being predictable. If she knows exactly how you'll respond, what you'll say, and what you'll do in every situation, she's going to get bored. Women respect men who keep them on their toes, men with a sense of mystery and surprise. Think about James Bond. Is he ever overly predictable? Number. He keeps people guessing, not by playing games, but because he has his own rhythm and focus. He doesn't bend to fit someone else's expectations. If you always text back instantly, always agree with her, and always show up exactly as she expects, she's going to see you as just another guy. But when you live life on your terms, when she has to wonder about you, when she can't completely figure you out, that's when respect grows. Take the lead. Here's a hard truth. If you're letting her lead, you're doing it wrong. I see this all the time. Guys handing over control of the relationship. She decides when you hang out, what you do, and sets the pace while you just follow along. That's not how it works. Women don't want to lead in relationships. Sure, they might test you by taking control, but deep down, they want a man who knows how to take charge, not in a controlling way, but in a way that says, "I've got this." Next time you're with her, make a decision without asking for permission. Say, "We're going here tonight," or "I've got a plan for Saturday." Show her you're the one driving the ship, and watch how her respect for you changes. Respond, don't react. She's going to test you. It's in her nature. She might push your buttons, pick at your weaknesses, or say something just to get a reaction out of you. If you take the bait, if you get emotional, defensive, or start arguing, you fail the test. Respect doesn't come from snapping back. It comes from composure. If she throws drama your way and you just smirk and say, "That's cute," you win. If she tries to drag you into an argument and you sit back, let her talk herself out, and stay cool, you win. Women respect men who own their emotions, not men who get rattled every time they're challenged. So next time she tries to pull you into chaos, step back, control the frame, and watch how she starts seeing you differently. Don't put her on a pedestal. The moment she becomes more important than your purpose, you've already lost. Women don't want to be your entire world. They want to be part of a world that's already in motion. In Asterisk No More, Mr. Nice Guy, by Dr. Robert Glover, he explains how many men sabotage themselves by making their partner the center of their universe. They drop their hobbies, goals, and friends, thinking it'll make her happy. But guess what? It doesn't. Instead, she feels suffocated, loses attraction, and starts looking for a man who has his own life. Here's the move. Have a mission, something that drives you outside of her. If she sees you locked in on a goal, chasing something bigger than her, she'll respect you. She'll be drawn to you and want to earn a place in your life. Stop being so available. If she knows she can snap her fingers and you'll drop everything for her, she's not going to value your time. Scarcity creates value. If you're always there, always waiting, always at her beck and call, she won't respect you. She'll take you for granted. Think about it. Do people value water in a desert or water from a tap? The more accessible you are, the less valuable you seem. Next time she texts you, don't respond immediately. Next time she asks you to hang out, don't always be free. Let her wonder about you. Let her feel that your time is something she has to earn. That one shift alone changes everything. At the end of the day, respect isn't something you demand. It's something you create by how you carry yourself, how you move, and what you tolerate. Stop being predictable. Stop letting her lead. Stop reacting to every little thing she does. And most importantly, stop making her your priority over yourself. The second you start living this way, she'll feel it. She'll either step up and respect you, or she'll walk. Either way, you win.